Now make we join our people for inside Pidgin News Network commentary box to touchlight as see the shele for countries.
Hey my people, this is the Pidgin News commentary box, and this is a commentary of the match between coronavirus and the people of the world. Make una not forget say this one a critical match so as Nigeria and the champion for the match. My people, as the referee just blow the first whistle, the referee wey name na COVID-19 just blow the whistle to start the match. Before we know, Koro don score Nigeria 91 goals. Wey come make Koro goals for Nigeria don enter 1,230, and people don discharge for the case. Their number na 239, but people don kpai dem be 40. E no finish for there. They say now for Africa, people wey don free for Koro matter don reach like 9,106 inside the 30,229 people wey Koro don catch inside 52 countries for Africa here. E no finish for there. As the match dey go on, now President Muhammadu Buhari wife wey her name na Aisha Buhari just bring 16 trailer full of rice and other food make Kano people chop. Say una buy rate don too much. E no finish for there. 20 minutes of the match, as the match dey fly dey go, now Ebonyi State just say make dem arrest 5 pastors wey don break the law of lockdown. As they arrest them, they go. E no finish for there. Even for mobile court for Abuja, they don arrest some imam and some pastor wey dey break the lockdown matter. E no finish for there. As the ball just go over the bar, make we see wetin dey happen. Now Naija say make they arrest that man wey dey for Lebanese wey wan sell Nigerian woman, say he wan sell am. As the person wey drink Panadol for the matter, wey her name na Honorable Abike Edabiri Erewa, he say she no go take this kind thing at all, and she come break the matter. They come arrest the guy. My people, e no finish for there. As the match dey go, before we know wetin dey happen, as the referee dey blow COVID-19, before we know quarantine dey look am for corner. My people, na so PDP come and say why dey score us this goal? Na because say federal government dey give people fake rice to chop. Now make them dey score us anyhow, and they no fit play this match. E no finish for there. As the referee say make he go check in VR to see whether he go give penalty or not. Now some governors begin dey beg aviation minister say abeg go open door make we travel o. Aviation minister say Oga Buhari don give me order say make everybody remain for this stadium, make all of us dey to fight the corona matter. He say because they hear say that man wey dey call Richard Quest wey sabi ask question anyhow for CNN, he said don catch koro. As the matter dey go, the coach, our coach dey worry say how the matter dey go. Now they will just hear say US dollar don increase for market o. Say US dollar now dey sell for 450 naira for the nearest market. My people, this na Pidgin News commentary box. Now man on the street be this.